guys, welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe and comment down below and turn on that notification bell. Now, this video is the second video for this Wednesday and it's with this company called Placers. And the job role for this company will be a talent acquisition coordinator. And this is a $22 an hour job. It's a full-time job position. They also are hiring for part-time as well. So the qualifications job goes as work authorization is required. The benefits for this job is 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, referral program, and vision insurance. Now the full job description goes this way, as this is what it says for this job. Our talent acquisition team is seeking an experienced administrative professional and support recruiting and hiring activities. The ideal candidate will be excited by partnering with others to support various aspects of our recruiting process, leveraging systems to efficiently and accurately manage large volumes of data. Partnering and recruiting teams members, this person will be responsible for ensuring that execution of logistics internally and externally consistently reflects GORE's employer brand. Preparing materials for events, interviewing, and candidate activities. Supporting, scheduling, and coordination of on-site events and interviews. Entering and tracking candidate information and interview evaluations in our applicants tracking system. Managing a high volume of candidate status updates and related correspondence. Owning data in owning data integrity in systems and tracking tools. The qualifications for this job goes as administrative experience in a role requiring solid logistics and coordination skills, ideally with a at least two of those years as an integral part of a recruiting team. Mastery of Excel, demonstrate ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, including excellent accuracy, follow-up, and follow-through on projects and tasks. Ability to be flexible and make changes as needed with limited oversight. Demonstrated ability to prove high quality results in a fast-paced and deadline-driven environment. Proven ability to work both independently and as part of a team. Excellent oral, written, and listening skills along with a high level of professionalism. Perks for this company that you will receive once you are hired with becoming a talent acquisition coordinator will be company culture. Like any other, it's an environment in which highly motivated people thrive and where you are able to bring your unique talents and diverse perspectives to problem solve and collectively get work done. Placers offers PTO, paid time off, client specific paid holidays, a comprehensive benefits package, and weekly pay via direct deposit or rapid pay cards for those who qualify. Referral program perks. Employees who refer a candidate to placers that fully completed 250 plus hours will receive a $50 Visa gift card bonus. And it's an equal opportunity employer, you guys, this company, and it's a very diverse setting. So yes, this job, it offers a great deal of perks and bonuses and everything, you guys. For 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance as well. It's an 8-hour shift, it's a full-time job position. They're hiring for 2 candidates for this role, and they're priority hiring. And they posted 1 day ago. So jump on it, and that'll be all for this video, you guys. Get a piece of that work pie, like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. You keep shining, diamonds. Let's get it.